Now we are with the simple histogram. So simple histogram is to check the normality actually. So here we have the continuous variable. So you can go to graph, chart builder, click OK, and we have to select the histogram, reset, drop the histogram into the canvas, take this to the x-axis, and then display normal curve, click OK. We'll get the output. Say yes. Here when we do it in histogram, first what we have to do is, in simple histogram we have to give apply, otherwise it will not show. So this normal curve will not get displayed. Say once we click this, we have to click this apply and get OK. So now we have we'll get the normal curve, but at the left side it is not left and right side is not perfectly displayed, perfectly distributed. So it is not a normal curve. Since it is skewed to the left, it is not a normal curve. So we can say this is the data is not normally distributed. So when we have to check one continuous variable to check the test of normality, we can use this histogram. Like say simple dot graph, we can use this histogram. And now we can go to the stacked histogram. Here we'll have one continuous variable, that is dependent variable, other may be nominal or ordinal. Can go to graph, click the chart builder, click OK, then can give reset, graph, chart builder, click OK, then can give reset, push this stacked histogram here, age in x-axis, gender should be given in this stack set color, then display normal curve, apply and click OK. So automatically you will get the output. The output will be displayed here. Here also one side is skewed, one side is OK. So it is not at all a normal distribution. So you can proceed further to the next graph. So this is the next graph is frequency polygon. This is also like a simple histogram to check the normality, like a simple line curve and simple area curve. So here we have to give graph, chart builder, click OK, then reset, taking this canvas here, put this age of participant into x-axis and then display normal curve, click OK, play OK. We'll get the output, and that output is also not normal, it is not normal. So this is the frequency polygon. Okay, frequency polygon. Next we can go to the population pyramid curve, which is generally to check the non-normal curve, that is Mann-Whitney's U-test. So for this we can go to the population pyramid, choose graph, click the chart builder, click OK, then I'll go reset and select this, gender as the split variable and engagement score as the Y. Then we'll ask the system to show the display normal curve, click apply and click OK. When you go to the output, we can able to see that this male seems to be normal when compared with the female, where female this side is not skewed, right side it's not skewed, it is skewed actually, it is not normally distributed. So what we can understand from this.